Yogito. Well, hello and welcome to our short little tutorial for this yoga. We were going to be down the ground, so we're not going to stand up or anything. If you need a chair, a couch, or somebody else to get back up, organize that first, but we're going to mostly stay down. So let's sit on our knee, but only if it's comfortable for you. And you can always put a roll blanket right under your knees or under your bum. Maybe even sit on a block. Anything that makes you more comfortable, or just sit crisscross. So the most important thing is that you have to be comfortable always. So let's see now. Fingertip up, reach, reach, reach. And exhale them down, just straight down. Nothing complicated here. Maybe you nail them back up the same way, like little zombie ants. And exhale, arms down. Inhale just the shoulder up. Exhale them back. Inhale again the arm up. Slow, slow, slow. This time maybe fingertips touch or are near each other, and exhale your fingers towards your heart. Now take as many breaths as you need in between the cues. Inhale, fingertip up, maybe a small back bend, but only if you can tuck in your lower belly here. And exhale, let's round the back but from the hip up. So round from the belly button, push that in. Here we go, maybe looking to your belly. And just round right over your leg. Maybe you have another folded blanket to put your forehead on, maybe a yoga block. And let's nail our fingertip forward. Here we go, reach, inhale and reach. Exhale, soften. Inhale, reach just gently and lift a little bit. Look around. Very nice on the neck. Look down. Keep the neck where it is comfortable to you. Exhale. Inhale. Start bringing your hands a little bit closer to you. Take as much time as it needs. You can always rewind. You can pause. You can skip what you don't like. Inhale, fingertip up. Exhale, let's stand them forward, but as we do that, our bum comes back. Exhale, round, 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 round. Inhale, again a little length. Reach and exhale. Now bring your hand as close to you as it lets your elbow comes down. So your elbow will be under your shoulders. Yes. And having your hands like in a sphinx. Now careful with the neck. Don't lift your neck too high here. Now lift just your bum. Inhale your bum up. And slide one foot back. Just slide it. Push in your hand. Exhale the elbows down. Now the other leg. Slide that back. And now readjust so that your elbows are right under your shoulders. I love you too, Yogito. And get back in your sphinx. If it's a little too much, just lower. Now try not to look too high. Look down even at maybe at your fingertip. And exhale. Push in your arm and lift your pubic bone right off the mat, and then press yourself back a little bit, bringing your forehead towards the mat. Maybe bringing your knee a little closer to align them under your hips. And press in your hand. Exhale. Just reach your chest towards the ground. Maybe gently turning your head side to side. And inhale. Press in your hand. Come up. Exhale. Bring your hands closer to you. And let's sit. Now sit whatever comfortable way you enjoy sitting. If you need to be in a chair, use the chair, the couch. So let's plant our sit bones down. Maybe the knee wants to go down or towards the ground, but we don't force anything. Remember, we're good to ourselves. We've got to be. So inhale the shoulder up like very high and exhale them back. Release neck, very comfy. Maybe inhale up a little bit. Exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. It doesn't have to touch. And let gravity just weight it down naturally. And maybe inhale a little bit, keeping your chin down. Just inhale it towards one of the shoulders. And other side. You can exhale down, maybe inhaling up, but just remember to breathe. And maybe turning the head up a little, moving the neck if it gentle movement if it helps. Exhale down. Inhale, fingertip up. I got to look, this is huge. I wish I could show you. Okay. Again, shoulder up and back and forward. Inhale, fingertip up. Exhale, fingers to heart. Inhale through the crown of the head. Exhale. Again, look at your belly button. Inhale your fingertip forward. Plant your hands on the ground. Keep a bend in the elbow. Inhale a little bit forward and exhale, bringing your hands to one side. Inhale a little length, exhale, soften gently, anything that feels good. If it doesn't, we come out of it a little bit or completely. Inhale, press in your hands, exhale, let's switch side. Inhale a little length, maybe exhale, soften. Soften. I thought you were on the other side. You moved. Yes, Yogito. Yes, we did Sphinx like you said. Yes. Inhale back up. And let's turn back in center. Plant one hand on the mat. Inhale, other hand over. Wave. Exhale, plant it. Inhale, other hand up. Wave. Exhale. Again. Inhale up. Maybe bending the elbow. Leaning a little on it. Wave. Little wave. Push in your hand. Inhale, other hand up. Wave. Exhale. With your own breath. A few more. You can skip the wave. So it's fun. And when you're at about enough center, again, little rotation with the neck, very gentle. Nice self-hug. Little rotation with the body. Again, other side. And I hope you enjoyed this small session. It's a seated session, pretty much. Namaste. Yogito. Yogito la 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 Yogito la Yogito la la Yogito la la. You're good, Yogito. Yes, you are. You did very good. Yes, I was proud of you.